Hello, dear children. I, Wrinkle Bagadia, your computer teacher, welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, as you know, in last class we have started our chapter 4, Tux Paint, and learnt some tools like Shapes tool, Eraser tool, and New tool. Today we are going to start from Drip Magic tool that is given on page number 31 in your textbook. So, be ready with your textbook. Let's start. Children, our today's first tool is Drip Magic tool. It is given on page number 31 in your textbook. Children, tell me one thing. What happens when you sprinkle drops of water on your drawing? Yes, the drops of water mixed with ink or color of your drawing and will scatter and drip away on the drawing. Yes, same as you can see on the screen, these tracks are dripped at the bottom side. Yes, this type of effect we can create using Drip Magic tool. Yes, you will find this Drip Magic tool in the sub-tool box of Magic tool. So first you have to click on Magic tool. After that you can find this tool in the sub-tool box of Magic tools, Drip Magic tool here. Okay. After applying Drip Magic effect, our text look like this that is given on your screen. In short, it gives a dripping effect to our drawing or our text. Let's see practically how it works. Open a new document in Tux Paint. Select a green background. Select the text tool and write the following text. Hello, I am learning Tux Paint. After typing, now select the Magic tool and select the drip effect from the sub-tool box. Now drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. You can see how the text dripped. Check how the text changed after applying the drift effect. Our next tool is Edges effect. This tool is also sub-tool of Magic tool. Using Edges effect, we can see the edge means outline, or we can say that border of any drawn image. It will remove the filled color from object and shows us only border. As you can see on the screen, we can see only border. It means in easy language, we can say that using Edges effect, we can remove the color from filled objects and show only borders of that object or shape. Now let's see practically how can we use this tool. Click on the Shape tool and select any filled shape from the sub-tool box. Now draw the select shape. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the sub-tool box. Drag the magic wand over the entire picture. You will observe that it will erase the solid part of the image and display the edges outline of the shape. Children, our next tool is Form effect. It is also sub-tool of Magic tool. You can find the Form effect here in the sub-tool box of Magic tool. It will create form on the drawing. Now children, have you seen form? A form is nothing but a mass of small bubbles formed when your mother washing your clothes. Whenever you add washing powder to the water, a lot of foam is formed. Similarly, form effect adds the form like this in your drawing. It will create small white bubbles on your drawing as you can see on the screen. Okay. You just have to select the Form tool and just click on the drawing area. It will create form effect in your drawing area. Okay. Our next tool is Grass effect. Children, As its name, grass effect tool draws grass on your drawing? It will draw neat and tidy green grass. You will find the grass tool in the sub-tool box of magic tool. And yes, remember one thing here is that we can draw only green colored grass. You can see on the screen, grass is drawn here is only in green color because we can draw only green colored grass in tux paint. So let's see practically how can we draw grass in our drawing. Open a new file with white background. Select the paint tool. Choose blue color and draw the river. As you can see on the screen. Now select the magic tool and fill effect. Click on the ground to fill green color in it, light green color. Likewise, fill blue color in the river. Now select the grass effect and choose dark green color. Draw some grass at the river bedside and on the ground. Now children, our next and today is rainbow and real rainbow effect. Here two tools are there. First is rainbow and second one is real rainbow. Rainbow effect draws a trail, means a queue of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. And real rainbow effect allows you to draw a rainbow that you see in the sky after a rainfall. Real rainbow effects creates natural rainbow that we see in the sky. Now children, here on the screen you can see the difference between rainbow and real rainbow effect. This is rainbow effect. Okay, rainbow effect draws the rainbow colors in a queue like this, and this is real rainbow effect. It will draw natural rainbow. Now you can identify the difference between rainbow and real rainbow effect. Okay, let's see practically how can we draw rainbow effects in our drawing. Select the magic tool from the toolbox and the rainbow effect from the subtool box. Find it? Yes, here it is. Now place your magic wand on the cloud in the drawing area and drag it to some other point in an arc shape. You will see a train of rainbow colors as you draw. Now click on the undo button. It will erase the rainbow. Now select the real rainbow effect. Drag the wand from one end to the other on the cloud. As you reach the end point and release the left mouse button, you will see a real rainbow on the canvas. Now children, this much study for our today's class. We will go further in this chapter in our next class. If you have computer or laptop at your home, then please do practical of these tools that we have learned today. And if you don't have computer or laptop at your home, then don't worry. We will do practical in our computer lab when school will start. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.